Dear viewers, welcome to another video in the series of data analytics using Microsoft Excel. In our previous videos, we have given the instruction on how to perform different types of data analysis using Microsoft Excel and using data analysis add-in of Microsoft Excel. In today's video, we will see how we can generate random numbers, especially random number which follows normal distribution using Microsoft Excel. Let's get into the video. As I was explaining in the introduction, in today's video we will understand how to generate random data points or random numbers using Microsoft Excel data analysis plugin. When we click on data analysis in the Microsoft Excel data analysis plugin, we will get a variety of drop downs which we can perform. In that, one of the options will be random number generator. In order to perform certain type of analysis or to practice certain type of statistical test or graphical representation, we may sometimes need to generate random data points. If we don't have a live data set to do the analysis, we may have to generate random numbers or random data points. So to generate those random data points, we can click on data analysis, choose this option random number generator and click OK. As you click OK, the window opens up, and in this window you can have few different types of distributions in which we can generate random numbers. So here the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to select normal distribution. So after selecting normal distribution, I can say I need 3 variables or 5 variables. So these variables are nothing but how many columns of data you want to generate, and the random numbers is nothing but how many rows of data point you want to generate. So here I need 3 variables and I need to generate 100 data points. The data point should follow normal distribution with, I can give 2 parameters now. Because this is normal distribution, I need to give a parameter on the central tendency, which is nothing but the average. So let us assume I give an average of 50 and a standard deviation of, let us assume, 5. So average of 50 and standard deviation of 5, and I want this data to be saved in column A2. So I'm giving my output range as A2. So when I give my output range as A2, and then if I click on OK, so Microsoft Excel data analysis plugin will generate 3 columns, and in each column a total of 100 data points. So I can call this as A, B, C. Now I have these data points generated. For example, if we want to perform maybe some other kind of analysis, so I need to have one column with an average of, let's say, 30 with a standard deviation of 3. I can call this as my output range F2. So this is 30 underscore 3. This is data for 30 underscore 3. I can similarly generate normal distribution, but average of 30 with standard deviation of 2, that need to be saved in column G2. I can call this data for 30 underscore 2. So I can generate multiple columns of random data with same number of data points, with same average and same standard deviation, or I can generate individual columns of data points with the different parameters of average and standard deviation, and then generate another column if at all I want to perform some kind of comparative analysis. For example, if I want to show you how box plot is a good representation to show the variation of data, I have generated 2 set of data points with same average but with different standard deviation. Now if I click on insert and then if I choose box plot, the graph clearly will tell me the difference. So here instead of starting from 0, we can say we can start from 20. So now you will be able to see with almost the same average, the graphs are showing different amount of variation. So if I want to explain box plot to a set of audience or to the participants, and if I don't have a live data to show how box plot will compare both within and between variations, then this kind of random data generator will help us to generate the necessary data that we want to generate. Similarly, if I want to show these three sets of data have same central tendency and same variation, I can then also draw the box plot and show them how box plot as a tool will help me to compare their averages and standard deviation. I hope this video was useful for you to understand how to generate random data points which follow normal distribution using Microsoft Data Analysis plugin. In my upcoming videos, I'll also be explaining about how we can generate similar data points, but the data points following different types of distribution. Please subscribe and follow our channel for more data analysis related videos using Microsoft Excel. Thanks for your time.